Right.
Okay.
But you do want to review the employee's driver's license records.
That's right.
You do. There are things under this that.
Yeah, the driver evaluation.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I was just looking at number 4 on C.
Oh, number 4, participate. Oh, yeah, we don't. I think that would pertain more Sheriff's Department.
Yeah.
And they already do that.
They already do their own policy.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm pretty sure.
All right. Okay, the next one, driver evaluation.
Yeah.
I think that's,
It needs to stay.
yeah, that'll stay.
Yeah.
Is there anything in addition that we were looking that you've found that looks anything better? I didn't really see anything.
They do have quite the list here. Theirs is just a little more detailed. Ours is more of a checklist.
Okay, which one?
If you go to page 101.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
Do you want to implement some of that language in ours?
We
Or
could.
do you want to, okay.
We could.
But we kind of want to be careful so that we're not getting a 30-page document that nobody wants to read.
But if they sign it.
That's right. Yeah, you're right. Mhm. Okay.
Of course, seatbelt use is a given.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, 6 is a given.
So we're okay with 6
Yes.
and okay with 5.
Yes.
Okay.
7.
Okay with
we're
7.
Good.
Okay.
Impaired driving. I hope nobody tries to drive impaired.
Now the proof of insurance is hard on with our county vehicles because we don't get a proof of insurance card for each vehicle. It's just a piece of paper, and that's where we've run into problems. And I've talked to them, and it would cost more, but that's something we probably want to talk about is how, because a proof of insurance card, you're sure that it has the insurance on it. But they just have a list. They have a huge list of all of our vehicles on there. So that's one of the things that that's concerning.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Very concerning.
So maybe we need to figure out a way how we can make sure that that's put it up to the departments to ensure that that gets done. Or maybe we need to talk to legal how we want to word that, because we need to make sure that everything is on there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll review with legal. Okay, accident reporting. I think it's standard.
Yeah, it is. And I think that there's close as well. I did notice on theirs they have on Twin Falls, submit to a drug test immediately as described in the county's drug and alcohol policy, which they have that addition on theirs, but I haven't dug too deep on her.
Yeah, we'll have to run that by legal because I'm not sure how that. Okay. So that's one I probably should also ask legal.
Yeah, that was the only addition that they had in theirs compared to ours.
Okay.
So.
And then traffic violations. I think we did rework some of that.
Yes, we did. I have my notes here.
Okay, I do too. One of the ones, an informed supervisor must be informed within 24 hours.
Yes.
And then we were going to do the maintenance schedule. Did you have that?
You need to notify supervisor.
Okay.
Yep. And that's another thing I think we were talking about was adding on here, wasn't it? Like the maintenance schedule or having a separate one that was maintenance.
Okay.
Like oil changes and things like that, you know, that just go in the car, and when they
and so
when
that
they have that, it would be on another sheet with it goes with the car.
Okay.
So that way everything's being kept up. Everybody knows it's on the maintenance side, scheduled maintenance. I think that's what we discussed in the last.
Yes, I believe that.
Yeah.
And then same with major maintenance.
Yes.
And we were going to put a dollar amount on there.
Yes. And then we want everybody to sign them every year. I think that's a good idea.
Now on the dollar amount, what I know we didn't really discuss an amount, and I don't see anything in here.
No.
Ours is the only one that kind of states that.
Yeah.
So what about moving that, maintenance and repair? Oh, I guess this is because we already have maintenance towards the top. They're responsible for maintenance.
I think that's, yeah.
But this is talking about expense of the maintenance and repair.
Right. Yeah, the
So
title.
maybe we should kind of merge those together.
I agree.
Okay. And I had the city of Idaho Falls all printed out to bring, but I didn't bring it.
Well, I figure one more probably one more workshop, and once we get all this other
Okay,
stuff that we just discussed, kind of implemented in it.
okay, and just get a draft
Just,
policy.
yeah, just kind of have it. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right.
And then have everybody review it
And
again.
we'll have to have Commissioner Dose kind of review what we did today, and then we'll, okay,
Mhm.
all right. Okay, anything further? Nothing? Okay, public comment? Comment? Comment?
Just a couple of sections, but I can email it later, as far as if we get in parentheses, like, excuse me, like seat belts, or there are exceptions for law enforcement typically in certain scenarios, stuff like that.
That's fine. Okay. Yep, yeah, what we'll do is we're gonna go ahead and get a draft, and we'll send the draft out to everybody, and then you guys can review it and comment on it, and then we'll go from there.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, meeting adjourned. Thank you.